All right, so we are going to copy and complete the table to evaluate the function. Once again, evaluate means solve. So on your guys' papers, you will copy the tables down. Starting with number 1, we've got 3 minus 2 to the x. We are going to plug in 1, 2, and 3 for our x values. So starting off, I have 3 minus 2 to the first is 1. 3 minus 2 squared, which is 3 minus 4, is negative 1. And then 3 minus 2 to the third, which is 3 minus 8, is negative 5. Not too bad. Let's go ahead and take a peek at this next one. So we've got 5x squared plus 1. So you're going to make sure to put parentheses around that x. So 5 times 2 squared plus 1, which that is 5 times 4 plus 1, which is 21. Then you've got 5 times 3 squared plus 1, 5 times 9 plus 1, which is 46. Then after that, you've got 5 times 4 squared plus 1, which is 5 times 16 plus 1, which is 81. That's definitely going to be the most challenging of these three that you see right here. Now, number 3, this one's probably going to be the easiest. There are no exponents, so you're going to have negative 4 times your x plus 24. Now, the important thing is with all of these, you need to put parentheses around the x if you're multiplying something with it in order to use the order of operations properly. So you have negative 4 times 5 plus 24 is negative 20 plus 24. So that's, positive 4. Then you have negative 4 times 10 plus 24. So that's negative 40 plus 24. So that is a negative 16. Then negative 4 times a 15 plus 24. That's negative 60 plus 24, which is negative 36. And that is it for this problem.